Jake somewhere disappearing. Jake! In! In! Good boy. Good boy. Look at that. Master's voice. It's miles away. Bubs! Buddy! In! In! Come on, Jake. Buddy, in you come. I think Buddy's having a poo. No, he's not. He's just ignoring me again. Good boy, Jake. Good boy, Jake. Ah, there you go. Come on, Grendel. Jake, in you come. Jake, in. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come and see it though. Come and see it though. Yeah, that's my boy. Jake. Yeah, handsome fella. Where's the wee monster? Oh, the wee monster's down at the puddle now as well, is he? Look at that. Yeah. Go find Bubs. That's what he's best at. Running away from me. That's a happy dog. What I need is image stabilization, don't I? Or just a rough idea about what I'm doing. Should be ducks in there later on tonight. And over there we have some coos. Creerer coos. Creerer herd. Where are my beasts? I better get them. Try and get them back. Jake will come. Buddy, well, there you go. All on to himself, I'm afraid. Anyway, here we go.